Good morning, children. Welcome to Nelson School Distant Education System. We'll begin with subject English Grammar for the grade 7. Today we'll be going for exercise 7, that is active and passive voice transformation of past perfect tense fair book exercise. Number 1, lightning had knocked down several trees. So lightning is the subject, box it. Had knocked is the verb, we have to underline it. Down is the preposition that follows the verb. Several trees is the object, so you have to circle it. Now we are going to bring several trees ahead. Then in past perfect tense, it is always had only, no matter the subject is in subject or the object is in singular or plural. So it is had, same. One additional word that we are adding in always in perfect tenses, that is be and been. Verb will be brought down same. Because down is the preposition, so it will follow the verb here also, so it is down. Add fourth step by and bring the subject at the last, lightning. So it is several trees had been knocked down by lightning. Number 2, by then Babbage had invented the computer. So it's Babbage, it's subject, so put a box. Had invented is the verb, underline it. The computer is the object, circle it. Now by then shows the time. So you can put it at the last also, you can put it at the beginning also, as they have done. Okay, then bring the computer ahead. So had, same, because it is past perfect tense, so it is had. Use of additional word, that is be and been, so it is been. And then invented, the verb in its third form. Add fourth step by and then Babbage, you have to bring it at the back. So it is by then the computers had been invented by Babbage. Number 3, his father had advised him not to borrow money. So it is his father is the subject, box it. Had advised is the verb, you have to underline it. So it is when you bring him ahead, that becomes he. Had advised, had will be used in its same manner. Be and been, use of extra word. Then advised, verb will be used in same manner. Now add by fourth step. His father will bring at the back, not to borrow money. So it is he had been advised by his father not to borrow money. Number 4, they had already sent their objections in writing. So there is a subject, we have to box it. Had sent is the verb, we have to underline it. Already is the adverb. Their objections, we have to put a circle because it is the object. Now you have to bring the object ahead, their objections. Had, because it is past perfect. Adverb use, that is already. Use of this word be and been, and bring the verb same, that is sent. Then add fourth step by. Drag the subject at the last, they changes to them, and extra words in writing. So it is their objections had already been sent by them in writing. Number 5, she had not yet taken any decision. So she is the subject, you have to box it. Had taken is the verb, will underline it, and any decision is the object, will circle. Not is the negative word, and yet is the adverb that shows time. So any decision is the object that you're going to bring ahead. So instead of using any decision had not yet been taken by her, you can take this negativity, that is negative word not, with any decision. So any, when it becomes any plus not, becomes no. So it is no decision had yet been taken by her. Number 6, hadn't somebody explained to you the importance of the meeting? So it's an interrogative statement. Had will remain, had only down. Okay, somebody is the subject, you will box it. Had explained is the verb, will underline it. You is the object, we will circle it. Now because it is interrogative statement, it will either begin with had itself or it will begin with what, WH questions. So it is hadn't. Now you bring this ahead, you. So it is hadn't you. Now add this be and been. Bring explained down. So it's hadn't you been explained the importance of meeting by someone. You can use by someone also. You can use by somebody also. Next is, why had the government done, what had the government done about this? So it is the government is the subject, box it. Had done is the verb, underline it. This is the object, so we have to put a circle. Now about is the preposition that follows the verb done about. Okay, now it's a wh, so I'll put a triangle and bring it down straight. With wh immediately what should come? Helping verb, so it is what? Had. Now add the extra word be and been, bring the verb down, same, so it is what had been done about this by the government, or you can write what had been done by the government about this. Thank you.